How to tweet on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to share your thoughts with the world on Twitter? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up the Twitter, that is the X app, and then uh, you will see the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you can see what's happening. So you can write the caption of your choice where you want to. uh, you can write everything, and then you can add in pictures. You can uh, change the font. You can add gifs. So you can even add polls if you want to, and then you just need to hit post in the top right corner. So that's it. It's as simple as that to tweet on Twitter. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.